If you've ever leaned into a corner and felt that sudden spike of fear, the kind that freezes your hands, locks your body, and makes your heart race, you're not alone. Every new rider faces that exact moment where confidence vanishes and panic takes control. But here's the harsh truth. Fear in cornering doesn't come from the road. It comes from you, from the habits you've built unconsciously, from the tension you carry, and from the false sense of control your mind tries to hold on to. The real danger isn't the corner, it's your reaction to it. Most riders don't crash because the road was too sharp or the bike wasn't capable. They crash because their instincts betray them. They stiffen up, they stare at the wrong thing, they roll off the throttle, and the bike reacts exactly how their fear commands it to. Unstable, unpredictable, and unforgiving. But what if I told you that cornering fear isn't a skill problem? It's a psychological trap that with a few simple shifts in how you think, move, and look, you can turn those terrifying curves into moments of absolute flow, the kind where time slows down, your bike feels like an extension of your body, and fear transforms into focus. In this video, I'll expose the 5 cornering mistakes that secretly control almost every new rider. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to fix them today. By the end, you won't just understand how to corner, you'll understand how to command every turn with precision, confidence, and power. Because once you master the corners, you stop riding the bike, and the bike starts riding with you. Mistake number 1. Target fixation. You look at what you fear. When you stare at the thing you fear, like the edge of the road or the gravel ahead, your bike unconsciously moves toward it. Your eyes are your steering wheel. So if your eyes panic, your bike obeys that panic. Instead, force your vision to lock on where you want to go, not what you want to avoid. Look through the corner, not into the danger. When your eyes lead with confidence, your bike follows with precision. Mistake number 2. Entering the corner too fast. Most riders crash not because the corner was too sharp, but because they entered it too proud. They believe speed equals skill. It doesn't. Speed without control is chaos. Always brake before the turn, never in it. Slow in, smooth out. Control your entry speed early, then glide through the curve like you own it. The rider who enters calm will always exit clean. Mistake number 3. Stiff arms and locked body. When you grip the handlebars too tightly, you suffocate your bike's ability to move. Your tension transfers directly into instability. Relax your arms. Keep your elbows bent, shoulders loose, and trust the bike. Grip with your legs, not your hands. Let your upper body float naturally. The more you relax, the more the bike dances with you instead of against you. Real control comes from trust, not tension. Mistake number 4. Poor body position. You sit, the bike suffers. Sitting upright through a lean tells your bike you're on your own, and that's dangerous. Your body must be part of the geometry. Drop your inside shoulder, lean slightly toward the turn, and push your outside knee into the tank. You're not trying to look like a racer, you're helping physics. When your body joins the lean, your tires grip harder, your line tightens, and your confidence skyrockets. Mistake number 5. Rolling off the throttle mid-corner. This is the deadliest instinct. The moment fear hits, riders chop the throttle, and the bike instantly destabilizes. You feel the bike jerk, stand up, or drift wide. To fix it, maintain a smooth, steady throttle through the curve. Throttle is balance. It keeps weight even, suspension steady, and traction strong. Commit to the corner and trust your line. Fear fades the moment you keep that throttle alive. Every corner tests not your skill, but your mindset. The real battle isn't with the road, it's with your own reflexes. Each of these 5 mistakes is just fear trying to disguise itself as logic. But once you rewire how you think, the road transforms. Corners stop being monsters and become invitations to mastery. That's the day you stop riding with fear and start riding with freedom. You know what's crazy? Most riders never realized they weren't scared of cornering. They were scared of losing control. But now that you understand how fear manipulates your mind, you're no longer a beginner. You've just taken the first step into the mindset of a true rider. Because, let's be honest, cornering isn't about how sharp you lean. It's about how calm you stay when your instincts scream to panic. The road doesn't test your bike. It tests you, your discipline, your focus, your ability to stay collected when everything inside you wants to freeze. So here's my challenge for you. The next time you take a corner, I want you to remember one line. I control the road. The road doesn't control me. Say it out loud in your helmet. Feel the difference. Fear dies. That's when the machine finally becomes yours. Now, tell me in the comments, which of these 5 mistakes do you catch yourself making the most? Because once you admit it, you've already started fixing it. And if this video woke something inside you, if it made you think differently, ride differently, feel differently, then don't just watch and scroll. Subscribe, because this channel isn't just about bikes. It's about transforming you into the kind of rider most people only dream of becoming. The kind that corners with courage and rides with control.